Hi, I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Today, why do so many AI photo edits look fake, and how do we fix it? We've all seen it, an edit that's technically clean but somehow just screams AI. Here's what gives it away, and how to pull it back. The number one tell is skin. Over-smoothing wipes out pores and fine texture, and you're left with that waxy plastic look. Next is the light. When the lighting on a face doesn't match the scene around it, your eye catches it instantly, even if you can't say why. The pattern is almost always the same, the edit is too perfect. Real photographs have texture, tiny asymmetries, and light that falls a certain way. Other giveaways, halos glowing around the edges, eyes and teeth pushed too bright, and color cranked until it stops looking real. The fix is restraint. Ease the strength back, keep the skin texture, match the light direction, and add a touch of grain so the image breathes. So AI edits look fake when they erase the small imperfections that make a photo feel real. Use AI gently, lower the intensity, protect the texture, and edit locally instead of blasting the whole frame. Do that and no one can tell. For more real-world AI photography tests, visit aiprophotography.com.